Hello! In this video, we will discuss the current situation in the cryptocurrency market. We will look at which coin is attracting interest from big capital right now. Additionally, we will share a case where one of our users earned a 180% profit using our services functionality. Bitcoin chart. Currently trading around 60k per unit. Recently, we have observed both short and long liquidity being taken out. If we switch to shorter time frames, we see that Bitcoin has been in a narrow range since August the 8th, with clear upper and lower boundaries of this range. There are reasons to believe in market uncertainty. Some investors are convinced of a recession, while others believe in parabolic rise due to lower interest rates. We'll discuss the upcoming important events on August 22nd and 23rd shortly. But first, let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart from the perspective of long-term growth and decline cycles. Let's talk about cyclicity and the popular belief that markets have changed and won't be the same as before. Here is the weekly logarithmic chart of Bitcoin, where the green rectangles mark growth phases and the red ones mark declines. Many crypto enthusiasts claim that the growth and decline structure might be disrupted due to the entry of institutional investors after the launch of ETFs. But is that really the case? For example, BTC ETF issuer BlackRock is the largest shareholder in 4 out of 5 mining companies. Another organization among the top BTC ETFs issuers, Fidelity, has been mining Bitcoin since 2014. What has fundamentally changed for big capital if they have been in the market for a long time? You might say they have more control, influence and money, and you'd be right, but despite the increased control and influence, their primary goal remains the same – ensuring liquidity for optimal cash out. Institutional investors will always seek to maximize profit from market volatility. It is important for them to quickly convert these assets into cash. Growth and decline cycles will continue to be maintained by big players because they create opportunities to exit at peaks and repurchase during dips. Thus, despite the apparent changes, the fundamental market structure remains the same. Those who control liquidity control the market. We have discussed the global picture of growth cycles, but let's not overlook important events this week. On August 22nd, key macroeconomic data on the PMI, Purchasing Managers Index, in the services sector will be released. It is expected to show a decrease from 55 to 54 points. If this happens, it will confirm a slowdown in a key sector of the economy. Jerome Powell will take such data into account when forming his conclusions during his speech at the annual Economic Symposium in Jackson Hole on August 23rd, where the heads of the world's largest central banks will gather. Economic issues that the Fed has been anticipating may push Powell towards a dovish tone, lowering rates. This, in turn, could significantly affect the markets and increase volatility. The best strategy at the moment is to give the market time to objectively assess the situation and avoid risky leveraged positions. A large player, whose wallet balance exceeds $20 million, is currently showing interest in a certain altcoin, the ticker and name of which you can see on your screens. By studying the transaction history with this set, we found that just in August, the wallet owner received altcoins from Binance worth over $4.5 million. In the last 24 hours, they withdrew over $800K. Given the low market cap and the absence of large-scale distribution on the price chart, this asset could reward its holders if the market conditions are favorable. This is not a financial advice. Consider the risks and do your own analysis. If you want to receive such information first and invest like smart money, contact our support. We will be happy to tell you about our wide range of products. Despite market uncertainty, our subscriber shared how they captured an excellent move on the rare token by following the big capital, GSR Markets. By analyzing the wallet from our picks, the user referred to an address with a balance of over $40 million and, importantly, a wallet age of 1500 days or 4 years. So we're dealing with the very experienced and influential capital. By studying the wallet's activity in the rare token, our subscriber noticed how the market maker was preparing to pump this altcoin. Using their primary address, they received tokens from centralized exchanges, then transferred them to the deposit address on Binance. From there, the funds were sent to the Binance hot wallet. This market maker strategy in low-cap asset had been in place since April, leading to a pump in the asset. By following the actions of big capital and using a 4-order purchase strategy, our user captured a 180% profit, closing 3/4 of the position and leaving free coins. In other words, risk-free profit. The purchase and sale points are displayed on your screens. So, in this video, we have discussed the situation in the cryptocurrency markets, showed you the current actions of big capital regarding the altcoin reserve rights, and shared a case study from one of our users. Please remember to manage risks when trading or investing. In support of our viewers, we'll hold another contest with a simple condition. In the comments, mention the amount in dollars received by the whale of the RSR altcoin to their address in the last transaction from this video. There will be a total of 5 winners. If you have an active subscription, you will receive an additional 3 days added to your plan. And if you haven't subscribed to our service yet, we'll give you 2 trial days instead of 1. With that, we say goodbye. Use the best on-chain analysis tools from Arbitrage Scanner, and see you next time.